Looking for a quick and convenient way to tackle dust, crumbs, and pet hair? Handheld vacuums are compact, lightweight, and powerful, making them perfect for small spaces, cars, and quick cleanups around the house. Here's a guide to the best handheld vacuums that combine portability with strong suction for effortless cleaning. Starting at number 1, BISSELL Pet Hair Hand Vacuum. The BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum, model 2392A, is a lightweight battery-powered handheld vacuum designed especially for homes with pets. It features a 14V lithium-ion battery for cordless convenience, a motorized brush tool to remove embedded pet hair, and specialized attachments like a crevice tool and upholstery tool to clean furniture, stairs, car interiors, and more. Its triple-level filtration and easy empty dirt bin make quick cleanup simple and efficient. Number 2, eufy by Anker. HomeVac H11, the eufy by Anker. HomeVac H11 is an ultra-lightweight cordless handheld vacuum designed for effortless spot cleaning at home or in your car. Weighing just 1.2 lummies and roughly the size of a wine bottle, it offers 5,500 PA suction power to quickly tackle everyday messes. The vacuum includes a 2-in-1 crevice and brush tool to reach into tight corners and under furniture, while USB charging makes it convenient to power up anywhere. Its compact design ensures easy storage, making it an ideal choice for quick cleanups, though it's best suited for small tasks rather than deep cleaning sessions. Number 3, Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. The Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus cordless hand vacuum, CH951, is a versatile, lightweight cordless handheld vacuum that's great for quick cleanups around the home and car. At around 2.8 lumps, it's easy to carry and maneuver, and features dual cyclonic air streams for strong suction and lasting motor performance. This model includes a self-cleaning pet power brush, crevice tool, and scrubbing brush to tackle pet hair, crumbs, and debris on upholstery, floors, and tight spots, and its washable filter and clean touch dirt ejector make maintenance simple. While the battery offers around 10 to 15 minutes of runtime, ideal for spot cleaning rather than long sessions, it's designed for grab-and-go convenience and efficient everyday use. Number 4, Hoover ONEPWR Vacuum. The Hoover ONEPWR cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is a lightweight, compact cordless vacuum that makes quick cleanups around the home and in the car easy and convenient. Powered by Hoover's interchangeable ONEPWR lithium-ion battery system, it delivers reliable suction for everyday messes without being tethered to a cord, and includes a built-in crevice tool and rinseable filter for hard-to-reach areas and simple maintenance. Its easy empty dirt cup lets you dispose of debris with minimal effort, while the portable design ensures you can tackle spills and dust anywhere you need. This model is ideal for grab-and-go spot cleaning and everyday use. Number 5, BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Vacuum. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Advance Clean Handheld Vacuum, CHV1410L, is a versatile cordless handheld vacuum that's ideal for quick cleanup jobs around your home, car, and upholstery. Powered by a 16V lithium-ion battery, it delivers reliable suction with cyclonic action that helps maintain performance as you clean. The slim nozzle rotates to reach tight spaces, and integrated tools like the pull-out crevice tool and flip-up brush make it easy to tackle corners, furniture, and other tricky spots. Its translucent dirt bowl and washable filter allow for easy maintenance, and the lightweight portable design ensures effortless handling for everyday messes.